Emergency response, car accident, what to do and how to help. What if you were driving one day and a bad car accident happened right in front of you? What would you do? Stay calm. Don't give in to fear or anxiety. If you are panicking, you can't help anyone. Quickly assess the situation. Ask yourself, is it safe to approach the vehicle? Is it safe to stop here? Do they need my help? If so, how can I help? First, warn other drivers that there has been an accident. Put on your hazard lights and set out any emergency equipment you have, such as warning triangles or flares. Warning other drivers helps ensure they won't cause a second collision. Call emergency services. First, tell them if you need an ambulance so they can dispatch one immediately. Give the location clearly, using markers such as intersections and street names, or the nearest exit or mile markers if you're on the highway. Provide other important details, like the number of vehicles involved, how serious the crash is, or how many people are hurt. Stay on the phone until the dispatcher tells you it's okay to hang up. To help the injured, first assess if anyone is in any immediate danger, such as from fire or other hazards. Do not move any injured people unless you absolutely must. By moving an accident victim, you could make their injuries worse, especially if they have spinal damage. Tell any injured people to stay still. Help victims stay calm. One of the biggest killers in any accident is shock. It's important to keep the injured as calm as possible. Comfort injured people. Tell them they are going to be okay and that an ambulance is on the way. Hold the hand of the injured, remind them not to move, and keep talking to them until help arrives. First aid is best left to those trained in it, unless it's an emergency. If someone is bleeding badly, you can try to stop the bleeding. Use whatever is available to cover the wound, such as a t-shirt, gauze from a first aid kit, a clean sanitary pad, or a diaper. Apply firm pressure to the wound. Be very careful not to touch the blood. Once emergency personnel arrive, move out of the way so they can do their jobs. Be sure your car is not blocking emergency access. Stick around to see if the police need to talk to you, or ask them if it's okay to leave the scene before you go. Try and remember what happened so you can tell the police. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Check out more videos here.